And my phone's being a dick. And not to mention, it's raining out.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Who you want to nominate?
I don't know.
She got nominated by Stephen Craig after third. Me. Okay. You can choose who you want to nominate in a little bit. Go under me.
Oh my god!
Don't go. There you go.
Oh my god, I am freezing. Oh, fuck you.
Here, let's see.
It's thundering and lightning out, and I can't.
Memorial Field.
I can't see shit. And
use this.
I
hold the thing.
This sat in the freezer
all
for
day.
at least 8 hours. I am freezing. I don't know who the fuck to nominate. Stevie, throw out names. Someone.
Brett.
Brett Kukin and Brandon Rodriguez.
Okay.
End it.
How the fuck do I end it?